Want to bend the laws of AI image generation and achieve outputs that perfectly mirror your artistic vision? Then you're in the right place today. We're diving deep into ControlNet's reference-only preprocessor, a game-changer for achieving stunning image outputs with unparalleled control. First, make sure you have the ControlNet extension installed and enabled in your Stable Diffusion setup now. In the ControlNet panel, enable ControlNet and select reference_only from the preprocessor drop-down. Next, upload the image you want to use as a reference. This image will guide the style, composition, and even the fine details of your generated image. Think of it as your AI muse. Now, the secret sauce lies in your prompt. Craft a prompt that aligns with the reference image, but also specifies the exact elements you want in your final output. Be descriptive. Tweak your ControlNet settings. A control weight of 1 usually works best for reference. Only ensure your guidance start is set to 0 and guidance end to 1, ensuring ControlNet's influence across the entire generation process. Hit generate and watch the magic happen. The AI will now generate an image that closely mimics the style, composition, and details of your reference image while incorporating the elements you specified in your prompt. And that's it. By leveraging the reference-only preprocessor in ControlNet, you can unlock a whole new level of creative control and generate stunning, highly customized images. Experiment with different reference images and prompts to explore the endless possibilities.